It's the fall winter season and it's time to put a pot of beans on. Okay, so pull out your slow cooker, go to the frozen section and grab whatever kind of peas, beans you want. I did field peas with snaps because it reminds me of my grandmother. And I'm going to tell you how to make these absolutely delicious and real quick. Turkey tails are my favorite. They're meaty and they're delicious. I throw all that into the pressure cooker, slow cooker, throw in my peas. I put rotelle on everything. Get you some seasoned, flavorful rotelle and it's hitting now. Then you use chicken broth instead of water, and then you season as regular with your garlic powder and your black pepper. Do not put salt. This chicken base, that's my other secret. It has plenty sodium in it. You throw all of that in there and you're going to make some magic in about 30 minutes, but I let it stay on warm for about 4 hours.